Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to reset your Logitech MX Master mouse to 3, 3S, and 4. So for the 2, 3, and 3S, basically they have all the same steps on resetting. So first, you have to simultaneously hold the left and right click primary buttons. So hold it down, and then while you're holding them down on the bottom side of the mouse, there will be the on switch, on and off switch. So first, of course, it will be off, and then while you're holding the buttons, then turn it on. And then after you turn it on, keep holding the buttons, and then the LED light will blink. That time the mouse has been factory reset. And then next, for the MX Master 4, this is very basic. In this mouse, it's actually different. Turn the mouse off first, and then after that, hold this easy switch feature button. So hold this button, and then while you're holding the button, turn it on. And then keep holding the button, keep it pressed down, and then while you're pressing it down, the LED light on the front will turn on rapidly. So basically that's it. That's how you reset your Logitech MX Master mouse.